Hey everyone! Did you know that 2024 is projected to be one of the best years for investors? Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dive in and explore how you can take advantage of this awesome opportunity. In this video, you'll learn how to invest smartly in 2024. We'll discuss strategies and insights that can help you maximize your returns. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, stick around because we've got some valuable info coming your way. Now, let's talk about the problem many investors face. It can be super overwhelming trying to figure out where to put your money in this ever-changing market. You've got rising inflation, fluctuating interest rates, and all sorts of economic shifts happening. It's crucial to understand both the risks and the opportunities out there. Many people panic and end up making hasty decisions, which can lead to losing money instead of growing it. So, how do we tackle this challenge head-on? Alright, let's explore some options. First up, we've got stocks. They've always been a popular choice, but you need to do your homework. Look for companies that are innovating and adapting to changing consumer needs. Next, let's talk real estate. This sector can be a great hedge against inflation, especially if you focus on rental properties or REITs. But don't forget about emerging markets. They're often overlooked but can offer high growth potential. And remember folks, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Plus, stay informed. Continuous research is essential in making smart investment decisions. Here's the key insight you'll want to take away. Adaptability is crucial in your investment strategy. The economy is changing rapidly and so is technology. If you can align your investments with current trends like renewable energy or tech advancements, you'll be better positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities. Always keep an eye on economic indicators and adjust your portfolio accordingly. This proactive approach can make all the difference in achieving your financial goals. So, in summary, remember to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and be proactive in your investment decisions as you prepare for 2024. It's all about being smart and strategic in your approach. If you found this video helpful, consider watching our next video on investment strategies for beginners and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other invest smartly.